Hello beauties and jets, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video I will be doing a try on haul. So if you guys are following me on social media, you guys must know that what haul I am talking about. I have posted stories on Instagram, Snapchat, and like if you are not following, then the links will be below in the description box. All this I bought from H&M. So H&M, you guys know, it's such a famous shop. It's around everywhere. So it's like the clothes and everything over there are so beautiful. Literally, I love everything there. But the sizes, like small sizes are so tiny, but like if you are small, like I'm size small, it fits me like X small, and small, medium, like sometimes I can adjust size, but yeah, but if you are like big, so X large, these kind of sizes will fit you from H&M, I think. But if you are small, X small, then like you're gonna get lots of clothes from H&M, and they are literally so beautiful. And if you are not subscribed, then do subscribe if you wish to see my future videos. And yeah, let's begin. So this is a try on haul, and I totally love all these dresses. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. And do comment below which one you like the best on me and which one you prefer and which one you like it. So yeah, let's begin. And the first dress is this blue dress, and I literally love this dress. It's so beautiful, so soft and comfy, and like this dress is in size X small, and literally this is like big. It looks big, like I think any size can fit in this dress, but I paired this up with a belt, so you can just mix and match with the outfit, shoes, and like your purse and like everything. You can mix and match and wear a belt with this. And this is such a gorgeous dress, and this has a elastic here, so you can like adjust the shoulder how much length you want, higher or lower, like anyhow you can adjust. So this is literally so beautiful and so good for summer, this kind of weather. It's so hot here, it's boiling hot. So this was the first dress, and I really like this one. So the second outfit is this. It's X small too, and like I love this color and the design. It's so cool, and like it looks so beautiful, and I just love this design over here. And it's very soft too, and it's like very comfy. And this one is in size small too, and yeah, I like it. And it's short and it's so good for summer. And at the back you can see it's open like this, and it also has a button over here, which is good. And this dress, and this dress is in size what you call US size 6, so Euro size 36, US size 6. So this is a beautiful dress, and it looks like this. The material, again, it's very soft and very comfy. And it also has a like material is double, so it's not see-through, and I really like it. And again, it's really short. And the next dress is again the first one I showed, the blue one. It's same, the material is same, everything is same, but the design is different. But it's like I chose like 3 dress same as this one, so only the colors are different. and like it's so soft. It's so good for this kind of weather, summertime or springtime. The next dress is this dress, and it's so stretchy, and it's literally so short too, and like it's so tight fitting. And this one is in size US size 6. It's like this. No, this is their tag, I think. And the material is so stretchy. It's very stretchy, and like I really like it. You can wear it like at night time, and it's so good. Again, it's small or X small, I think. US size 6. I don't know what's Australian, so it's very small. I think it's small. Okay, the next one is again a dress. So this one is same. Everything, all the dress from H&M or all the clothes have this thing. I don't know. And this one is again US size 8, not 6 this time, little bit big. So this is this blue dress, and so good if you're going out at night, and like it's really cool, and it's very stretchy too, and like it's not see-through. The material is really thick. And let's move on. The next one is again this blue dress. It's like similar as that blue dress. Again blue dress. No, this is black one. So this is same as the blue one, and the other one I showed it earlier. And like this is so cool, and this dress only cost me $6, as you guys can see here. It has the price tag, and the other ones I took it off. I don't know what was the price. So this one is again X small, and this one is a see-through, so you have to wear something inside. It's like literally you can see. Okay, you can see. Yeah, you can see. So, but it's very comfortable, and like it's so comfy. I love it. Like it's so soft and so good. You can pair this up with any color of belt, shoes, and like accessories, anything you can just pair, and I love it. And the next dress is this one. This is a blue dress, size US size 6, and like this is so good. If you guys are following me on social media, guys should have seen me wearing this dress. I think I've posted pictures on Instagram, Snapchat. So good. The material is double, so it's not see-through, and like look at it, it's lace. It's so beautiful. The color is so good. I love it so much, and it's very comfy too. And also like there is no zip at the back, and the neck part is really short, so your head should be small to fit this in. It was so hard for me to take this off. Literally so hard. You can see the foundation is here. And last of all is this dress I am wearing. It's so comfy, and I totally love this dress. And it's like you can wear it night out, date night, or any kind of occasion. Like if you want to wear a black short dress, is definitely a must. I've got lots in my collection. Black short dress, like I love it. So you can just pair it up with like anything, any color of shoes and accessories, anything, any color, like any clutch or anything will go so well with this dress. And I totally love it, and it's not see-through, like it has double material with it, and like it also has this double slip here, so it's so comfortable. And it's like again X small, like I fit, like my size is X small or small, and I I've said it before that like if I like the outfit and there is no size of mine, I will definitely buy a large size so that I can just wear a belt with it, or I can resize it at home. So yeah, so this is X small. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you wish to see more of this kind of video, do leave me a comment below and join me on all social media sites. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.